Metropolitan Police Department.
Yeah, what happened?
No, that's not him. Okay.
It's not me.
Okay.
This time it ain't me.
Okay. So you close your door.
Police. Hey, come here, man.
How you doing, Miss? Step outside.
Come here.
Step outside.
Come here.
Step outside.
Come here. For what, sir?
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, for what?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Nah.
Stop.
Put some clothes on.
Stop. Place your hands behind your back, nice and easy.
Tell me why.
Place your hands.
Tell me why.
Miss
I know my rights. Not my rights.
You put your old woman.
I ain't getting no phone. Man, you put some clothes on. You put some clothes on. Yeah. Now I'm sorry. Yep. And your body cam.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And your body cam. Yep.
Hey, Miss you will be OC if you do not put your hands behind your back.
I know my rights. 2.
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands, turn around, put your hands behind your back now.
Tell me,
Please put your hands behind your back now.
what's my charge? Tell me my charge. I ain't do shit, so tell me my.
Put your hands behind your back. You're not listening to a lawful order.
I know my amendments. For one, you're wrong.
Come on, man.
I know my First Amendment. I ain't supposed to speak to y'all. I know my Fourth Amendment. You ain't supposed to come here without a warrant. All right, so.
All right, come on, man.
Right.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No, sir. You got a warrant?
Put your hands behind your back.
You got a warrant?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Otherwise, you will be spread again. Put your hands behind your back. Otherwise, you will be spread again. Put your hands behind your back. Otherwise, you will be spread again.
Fuck that. I know my right.
Use of force, starting to feel this way. 1, 2. Use of force, starting to feel this way.
Yeah, use of force. Oh, you must fucking be sued. Fuck Shaggy D. You must be sued. Sir, I ask you, don't touch me.
Grab my hand. Grab the hand. No, I'm grabbing the hand. Trying to get the handcuff on his wrist.
Yep.
Let go of my wrist. Let go of my wrist. Let go of my wrist.
You got it.
Grab it.
Sure ain't. I'll tell you that now. You sure ain't.
Grab that hand. Grab that hand.
Oh, I didn't go to the hospital.
Yeah, we're gonna get you there.
Yeah.
Sit up.
Yeah.
Sit up.
He's up.
So,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you my firstborn. Yeah.
sit down.
No.
Stay seated.
No,
Stay seated.
sir.
Stay seated.
I got a man with rights.
Stay seated, sir. Please stay seated.
I know my rights.
Please stay seated until we get more officers up here
No, sir.
to get you the medical attention we need.
No, sir.